Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, the Queens of the Dream Team, we are coming to you with the Christmas Tree Collab for 2021. We are showcasing our trees. Now, my Christmas tree is from King of Christmas. It is a 9-foot Prince Flock Unlit Christmas tree. Now I am fluffing this tree. I am touching every single branch of this tree to make it look full. And here it is after I fluff it. I still have areas I see where I need to do a little work. But that's okay, it will get done. Now I picked up this beautiful ribbon, which is silver. It is beaded on the ends in silver. I picked this up from Old Time Pottery. They have some beautiful ribbon. I also picked up some in gold. Now I love to place these together on my tree, making loops. And I don't want this tight. I want to be able to kind of slide my hand in between the tree and the loops, but I don't want it so loose that it is just wilding out there. And I just take a branch and lock the ribbon in. And I also don't go straight down. I do it at an angle until I go all the way down the tree. Now I also found these poinsettias at Old Time Pottery, and I have these silver picks that I already had, but Hobby Lobby has them again this year. Now I'm making somewhat of a swag. I didn't have all the components, or could not find all the components that I wanted, so I have to make do with what I have, right? So I'm just placing these two units together. Now I also will be placing these beautiful ornaments on my tree. These are from Hobby Lobby too. And guys, here is my tree. It's done in silver and gold and of course red. You already knew I had to add my red in, right? Now these Santa Clauses that you see on the tree, they are over 20 years old. They came from Dillard's, and you pretty much will see them all the time on my tree each year. It's just a tradition. At the base of the tree, I place this sleigh that I picked up from Marshall's, and I'll place some presents inside that sleigh. And I also have these beautiful reindeer that came from At Home. The tree skirt came from Burlington. Most of the ornaments that you see on the tree came from Hobby Lobby. The joy lettering came from Walmart a couple of years ago. These bursting white flowers came as a set of 3 from Burlington. Now, after you view my video, please go over and check out these beautiful trees that my sisters, the queens of the Dream Team, will be showcasing today. The playlist will be listed and their channels will be listed in my description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store for home decor, home essentials, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. I love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon.